how to apply for a credit card online. So if you want to apply for a credit card online, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Capital One application. Once you open up the application, now you need to go with Get Started, which is on the bottom. And here you need to enter your card number and the expiry date of the card number, and you need to tap on Next. Once you tap on Next, it will take you to the next page, and you will have an option of product offerings on the bottom left. But if you don't have the option right there, then you can also go with your browser. You can search for capital.com, capital1.com/credit card. And once you've searched for it, it will take you to the credit card page on Capital One. You'll have this kind of interface. But if you have the option on your application, you can simply go with product offerings, and then you can choose credit card, and it will take you to the same page. Now once you're here on this page, you can scroll down. Here you will have a lot of cards, so you can simply choose any card that you are comfortable with. So I'll just simply choose the Platinum MasterCard. So tap on apply now, and you need to enter your legal name. So enter your first name and then the last name and go with continue. After that, you need to enter your date of birth and then your social security number and your residence and important disclosures. You need to enter your information, and after that your terms and conditions. You need to accept to the terms and conditions, and once you proceed with the following steps, then you'll be able to apply for a credit card online. So this is the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.